Achoo. Ew, 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 ew. Blah, blah. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. Sorry. Hi guys, it's Rosieglitterqueen here, and today we're going to be opening these ready to robot capsules. So let's get started. And what these are about, there's tiny little people, which are like them, like that, and we put them in like these really big body robots that don't have a head. It's weird. And there is 50 to collect, and there is slime. We do not have to make it. Let's get opening. What is? I really hope it's a red one. My favorite color. It's a gray capsule. Here's all the bots that you can collect. These are not 50 bots. This is not 50 bots. Oh. I looked at the back of the collector's guide and it looks like 50 bots. Okay, I want this yellow and blue one right there because that is an ultra rare or a rare. Now let's keep opening this. Whoa, this is cool. I don't know what this. I think it's an arm because it has. No, I think it's the weapon. I don't know. Tell me in the comment section down below what you think it is. I don't know if it's an arm or a weapon or a gun. Kind of looks like a saw with like a mouth on it. Like, ah. Now let's open the next surprise. I think this is like the little base of it where the people stand, where like the little characters stand in. Yeah, and those look like the pieces where the arms go. And then like the legs go. Oops, no. It's over there. There we go. Okay, let's put it right there. These are the arms. Please be the arms. Please be the arms. Please. I think this is the arm or a leg. I don't know. Because it has that little bow thing, like the two pieces right here. They look similar. one more surprise for this layer. I like to make songs out of everything. Here's another little Lego arm. I don't know what those ones are, like these ones and then this. These might be the arms, these might be the legs. I don't know, we might have to check on the checklist after we're done with this. Oh, I think this is the arms or a leg. I don't know, we'll have to look at the checklist after. Think another one of these. Now let's open the slime. Just figured it out. We have to push it off the table. Yellow slime. Let's open this up. Oh gosh. Oh, it has like a little thing on here. Like a little part where we have to actually put it. Oh! Yucky! The slime kind of looks like snot. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Let's get this little guy. Oh, he looks so cute. He is so... I can't even get him out. There we go. Let's just get all the slime off him. Look him right on his mouth. Look how cute he is. He or she, I don't know. Now let's just put him right in there. I want to play with the slime. It's so jiggly and awesome. But we have to see who it is, because, wait. So his name is Bananas. Right there. Now, it kind of looks like his hat is a brain. Like, it looks like he has a brain on his head. But that's impossible for people to have. But they're just robots. He looks so cute. And if you guys don't know, this is actually a pilot. It kind of looks like a dentist guy, but it's a pilot. Now let's put it all together, and I figured out what these ones are. So these parts are like extra weapons. They're very cool. I love this little guy. Oh, this is so hard. Okay. This is so cool. Wow, wow, wow. Again, I have to take slime all off him. Oh, some under his hat. Now let's put him in the little area where they have to stand. It looks like he's controlling it. Da, da. That looks so funny. Da, 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 da. Whoa. I want to get the slime off me. It looks so cool. He looks so angry. Da, that's because I am. Oh my gosh. Now let's open the next one. For the next one. Oop. I'm just looking at the ultra rare one. Just looking who it is. Wait. Again, here is like the little torso part of his body. Now let's see this one. Oh, there's a blue button instead of a green button. Cool. Now let's open these. Whoops. Gotta go get that. Flashlights on the top of his head. They kind of look like flashlights. Rubbish. So much rubbish. Ah! I cannot get this open. Again. Let's just get that one off. Again. I did it 3 times in a I did it 3 times in a row. True just came out of that. Yep. Wait, where's it? On the collector's guide, there's 2 of these little horn things. Like the little flashlights. But there's only one. And there's nothing in the rubbish. Nope. Nope. And the let's open the next layer. Wait. There we go. What are these little surprises that I see here? That aren't blind Another one that flung. I don't know why I keep flinging things around the whole house. This looks like an arm or a leg or a weapon. I don't know. Let's open this one without flinging things all over the place. There we go. Didn't fling it. Here's the other light. I thought it flung down under there, but no. I am so lucky that I didn't fling it anywhere like that. But I think these go on top of its little head. Like right here. It looks really weird. Now let's open this other one without flinging it. There we go. Now these kind of look like the legs because they stand up. Yeah, those are definitely the legs. Now let's just push this like I did last time. Oh, it's blue slime! Yay! Now I'm so excited to. Here's my yellow slime. Over here. Let's just put that right back. Now again. Almost flung off the table. I cannot see the tiny little person yet, but there is like this little cover thing that has like this little flip thing right here that we have to pull off to get the slime out. Oh my gosh, it's so slimy. Ooh. Ooh. Oh! Ew! Oh, it looks pink. Pink is my favorite color. Let me just get this little guy out. It's so cute. It's a piggy. It's a little piggy. I think it's a little piggy. It looks so cute as a little piggy. It's hamstrung. Hamstrung. What? Hamstrung. Hamstrung. What? Hamstrung. There we go. Now let's put it all together. Put it all together. Let's. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. I can't see anything. Oh no. Oh, slime. Who we got is bananas and ham's John. This slime is so satisfying and not sticky. Some slimes are very sticky, but this one is not. It just breaks whenever I try and stretch it. It's weird. Get back together. Oh. What I do? Slime me. If you like these Ready to Box video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right there. If you want to see some of my other videos, click there, and there. Thanks for watching. Bye!